Hi, and welcome back to my channel. What? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy bags. And hi, hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and this is my husband Aaron. And on here we do a lot of makeup material and unboxings and baggings, and also I talk a lot about my agoraphobia. If you are into either or both of those topics, then I highly suggest that you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified of all my future videos. So if you are interested in today's subject, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, we are doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy bags today. And if you...
Two Ipsy bags enter, one Ipsy bag leaves.
If you know anything about Ipsy, you know that it is a monthly... This is the Ipsy Glam bag, I'm sorry. It is a monthly subscription bag, and it is I think it's $13 a month now. And this is for the month of October, and this is what the bag looks like. It has little vampire lips on it with a sort of a green zipper and a green lipstick for the zipper pull.
Oh, I didn't even notice that's what that was. Oh, okay, cute.
And it's just got a black inside in it.
Gosh, that was kind of about this like this size and this kind of form factor.
Yeah, you can use these bags for just about anything. What we do every month is we pit our bags against each other.
And then we explain why mine is better.
I think last month was a tie, but I think I got the better bag this time.
Just got a good feeling about this month.
So let's get down to it.
Let's start with the one we both have, or if you want to look at the thing.
Okay, yeah, we both got one thing in common, so let's get that out of the way. It is the Rerum Natura, the body
Natura.
the body cream. You want to read about it?
A warm and sweet orange moisturizer enhanced with aromatic notes of rosemary leaf.
Read the thing.
The thing. Oh my god, read the thing. This healthy body lotion smells super fresh thanks to notes of sweet orange, and it's good for you. Two, it's made without questionable ingredients like synthetic fragrances, mineral oil, or parabens. Parabens are the worst, oh my god. And instead, it's loaded with natural moisturizers like shea butter and aloe vera. Tip, it doubles as an ultra nourishing Hannaford cream.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Jennifer, oh my god.
I don't like that it's like this. I wish it was a pump bottle or something like that.
Yeah, you'd be shaking it a lot. MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $6.50. Is 100 milliliter is $6.50.
100 milligrams?
Milliliters. The full-size one. This is 40 right here.
Okay. So that's not a bad size then.
But yeah, it's like, and they always make them it's stiff, fairly stiff bottle, so you can't really squeeze it out. Even if you could, the top's too big, for it to really work. So you just end up doing that.
I was able to squeeze them out into my hand.
Shake, shake, shake.
Okay.
Well, yeah, you can when it's full.
Let's do our picks. What we picked. What did you pick? What do you remember picking?
It was either this or this. I'm thinking it was this. Mine was the basic beauty lip gloss because I'm basic.
And
sparkly in the shade, literally.
I got the Sugar Cosmetics Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm in Mojito.
Your lips are gonna get drunk. Your lips are gonna
Stop it.
I love you. I love you. Yeah, so I fall down in the hallway.
Make dry lips a thing of the past with this ultra nourishing balm. It's made with vitamin E, jojoba oil, and shea butter to deeply moisturize and help eliminate flakes, chipping, and cracks. And
That's
the
so
yummy
variety.
mojito flavor, it imparts instant vacay vibes every time you swipe it. One.
So each stick contains 1/2 a shot of vodka. What?
No. What does yours say?
Vodka absorbs 30 lips. Basic Beauty lip gloss is literally say hello to your new favorite lip gloss. It's shimmery. We love the light reflecting bronze shade. Shiny, moisturizing, and plumping, but 0% sticky or tacky. Plus, it has a yummy vanilla scent you'll love. Tip: swipe on bare lips or over your favorite neutral lip color. Full size. MSRP $15.
So, what do you think? You think just because yours is makeup, yours is better?
I think yours is better because it has alcohol in it.
It does not have alcohol in it.
She's gonna be wasted. Your lips are gonna be wasted. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry.
I'll give the point to you because yours is more makeup.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any? Let's do skincare products.
Dr. Scrub. Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. A daily facial exfoliator that adds hydration and removes dead surface cells, revealing brighter, radiant, healthier looking skin.
I have the Chasin Rabbit. Gosh, where did I get barrel lighting? I'm sorry. Chasin Rabbit's Mindful Bubble Cleanse. This
Well,
is
these
what it
things are
looks
just
like.
they're just too reflective is the problem.
But it's Chasin Rabbit.
Yeah.
And you know that dry feeling, that tight, dry feeling your skin can get post-wash? I definitely have that problem.
My skin
Gentle
gets-
cleanser,
My skin gets itchy.
this gentle cleanser gives your face feeling just the opposite. It's made with mineral and nutrient-rich bamboo water to moisturize and help balance your skin while you wash away makeup buildup and excess oil.
Jennifer, this isn't made with bunnies. Oh my god.
It's not. Just stop it. And what's so great about yours?
I don't know. It's got ruby crystals in it or something.
Microderm exfoliator. I think mine
There's
wins.
no bunny power though, so
I think I get a point.
you get the bunny power.
Okay. Do you have any more skincare?
I have this thing. Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream. Plumpkin. Yeah, get it.
Okay.
Oh, that's some tiny writing.
Read from your
I
thing
can't
here.
read the writing. Okay. Good thing. Lightweight, yet super potent. Super potent. This eye cream uses retinol, the gold standard of anti-aging ingredients, and pumpkin extract, which is high in vitamins and antioxidants. Gosh, it's like somebody had a lot of pumpkin stuff laying around for some reason, and they thought they could get some use out of it. I don't know. To help plump, smooth, and firm your eye area. Tip: use your ring finger to gently tap this cream under your eyes.
Well, I don't have any more, face stuff. So I counter that with my Basic Beauty Hot Cocoa Balm Eyeshadow Quad.
Oh my god, that's the bomb.
You're really annoying, you know that?
Okay.
Inspired by hot cocoa, this versatile eyeshadow palette contains 4 shimmer and matte neutral shades like rich chocolatey browns and soft creams that will help you create everything from a low-key look to a glam smoky eye for a night.
Wow.
And you know,
That is fancy stuff there.
when we play, makeup beats out skincare.
This is true.
So I win that point. I've got 2
Plus
points.
it's just cooler.
I've got 2 points over your 1 point.
That's true, you do.
And
Last but not least.
are you going to show or am I going to show?
Go first.
Okay. I have something big to show. I've got the Pacifica Glimmer Shimmer Highlight and Blush.
Glimmer Shimmer.
And it is a blush and a highlighter, and it's got a little mirror on the back. It says, our current makeup mantra, glow, glow, and more glow. It's the reason we can't get enough of the shimmery blush and highlighter duo.
All the glow.
The silky powders are infused and mineral pigments, light reflecting mica and moisturizing coconut oil to give your skin a naturally luminous look.
Wow.
What do you got?
Boom. Well, I have Law Beauty Essentials nail lacquer in the shade Spear Me.
Oh, that's such a cute color.
It is. Unfortunately, it's not really a fall color. Is the only problem. This would have been really good in the spring. It's like grass, like this is really this is like a really good Easter color.
Yeah. Show from the product. Yeah.
But I think yours is bigger and it's bigger. Yours is bigger and it's on on season. So I think you're gonna win that one.
Okay. So that means let's show what we got. I got the Pacifica Beauty Glimmer Shimmer Highlighter and Blush, the Basic Beauty Hot Cocoa Balm Eyeshadow Quad. I got the Chasing Rabbits Mindful Bubble Cleanse. I got the Rerum Natura, the body cream. And I got the Sugar Cosmetics Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm and Mojito.
I got the Law Beauty Essentials Nail Polish and Spear Me, the Tony Moly Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream, Basic Beauty Lip Gloss in Literally, and the Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal and the Vibro Netra Body Cream. I think you win by like 2 points this time.
Okay, so my bag won.
You won. I was vanquished.
So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up so we know that you like this style of video. And leave us a comment down below. If you get this bag, tell us what you got this month. Did you get any of these same items? And
you can console me in my agony of defeat.
We would just like to know. We're nosy.
Yeah.
And we hope you are having a fantastic day out there today, and having a great Sunday or middle of the week whenever you are watching this.
Or in the far distant future. Hi, aliens.
And if you are not having a great day, we hope something comes on and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful day. Maybe your Ipsy bag arrived and made your day a good day. And if you're having an especially hard time, we are sending you the good vibes. So just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And hopefully we will see you in our next or my next video out there. Just stay well until then. Okay. All right. Goodbye.
Bye.